to admit, I didn't always love cauliflower, but then I discovered roasting it changed my mind completely. And then I started roasting it with Parmesan and Gruyere cheese. That made it even better. So I have this section on my website called Ask Ina, and people send in the most interesting questions. And recently somebody said, how do you cut a cauliflower so it doesn't get all over the kitchen? And I thought, why does the cauliflower get all over the kitchen? And I realized what they were doing is they were cutting it through the top, like this. If you cut it in slices like that, you get cauliflower all over your kitchen, and it's a mess. But this is what you want to do. I'm clearing off the mess first. You take the cauliflower, cut off the bottom, because you don't want the green parts. And then instead of cutting it through the top, what you do is cut it through the bottom, is take out the core with a small knife, just like this. And then instead of cutting it through the top, what I do is I cut it through the stem and then just pull it apart. And then you don't have cauliflower all over your kitchen. It's a lot of cauliflower. I'm just gonna toss them on a sheet pan. I need lots of olive oil because I want it to brown really well. Just pour it on. Lots of salt, I want it to taste great. And pepper. And just toss it all together. This is gonna cook at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. I'm just gonna toss it once right in the middle, just to make sure it browns really evenly. Okay, ready for the oven. Well, I actually have one in the oven, and it smells like it's just almost done. Oh, this looks great. Doesn't it look fantastic? So I have two kinds of cheese that I'm gonna put on it. I have a cup of Gruyere. Cheese makes everything taste better, right? And a cup of Parmesan. So this goes back into the oven for 2 minutes, just till the cheese melts. You know, I think we all remember our grandmothers cooking vegetables until they were soft and mushy. And then we started blanching them so they were a little crisp. But I have to say, once you go to roasting vegetables, you never go back again. Put something in the oven, set a timer, forget about it, and you have the most delicious vegetables you can possibly imagine, like roasted cauliflower with chopped parsley, Parmesan, and Gruyere. Isn't that delicious? So good.